Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2011 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you which fuse to check in case your horn is not working. This video will apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Now, fuse is the first and easiest thing to check. If the fuse is good, then you'll have to dig a bit deeper, make sure that the horn actually works, check all the wiring and connections. Also keep in mind that quite common cause of horn not working is a failed airbag clock spring, right, which is just behind the steering wheel. Usually it will come with traction control light on or cruise not working as well. That's just something to keep in mind. Horn fuse is located under the front hood in the main fuse box just next to the battery right here. Now to remove this cover you will have three black tabs, one here and one here. You want to press these tabs together and lift up to unlock it and remove it. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and this piece right here, this is the fuse puller you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Horn fuse, it's a fuse number 51, which is a 15 amp blue fuse located here, and the horn relay, unfortunately it's not serviceable. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.